Do not be the reason why other people have to share tears because of how you treat them. Do not be the reason why abanye abantu bahlezi bakhala ngenhliziyo because of wena and your actions. Bakhona abanye abantu abangakhali ukuthi ukwazi ukubona inyembezi zabo. Bakhona abanye abantu abangakwazi ukuthi bakhulume ngendlela obazwise ngayo ubuhlungu. But they self-express within themselves and go through it over and over again, and lokho kukhala kwaloyo muntu ngenhliziyo kungakuvalela wena. Kuyenzeka ukuthi sizwisana ubuhlungu empilweni, kodwa kubalulekile if uzobonisa nawe ukuthi I realize ukuthi ngikuzwisa ubuhlungu, noma ungasacelanga uxolo, but show ukuthi you are actually remorseful. I'm sorry does not come out very easily from other people, but the fact that you are remorseful and and you realize ukuthi loyo muntu wamzwisa ubuhlungu, try and do better kubona. It'll play a big role, especially those people that keep within themselves. People who don't always express how they feel, or they don't know how to express their feelings. They'll rather shut down and umbona umuntu engasakwazi ukuthi communicate nawe, noma umbona ukuthi akasakhulumi nawe ngendlela ebekakhuluma nawe ngakhona. It takes time to come out of a situation where you feel ukuthi you were betrayed. It takes time to come out of a situation where you feel ukuthi wazwiswa ubuhlungu. Take that moment namhlanje and say, I know ukuthi lo muntu ngimzwisa ubuhlungu. It's all about being umuntu, and just putting other people nawe in your shoes and knowing ukuthi lento le mayingaba ingenzeka kumina, would I actually like it? You may not realize sometimes ukuthi umuntu umzwisa ubuhlungu kangakanani, but mawungazithatha uzibeke ecathulweni zalowo muntu lo, you will actually realize ukuthi some of the things azenziwa ebantwini.